Hey guys, so we are going to work on high scores. Um, so high scores is essentially working out the highest score from a classic game, Frogger's game. So we need to have knowledge of data structures list and Python list, which we already do. So with that, let's go ahead and get the project down to our computer. And I am going to open this up with my text editor, Sublime. All right, so this is our test file, and these are the three functions that we are going to be implementing. So in this one, we are looking for the highest score. So we have scores, which is passed over in here, and the highest, the latest score is the one at the very right of the list. All right, so let's run our test. So when I run this test, I notice that I have failing tests. There are 7 of them in total. So the idea is to solve all these tests one at a time. So we'll begin with this one, looking for uh, the item at the very right of our list. So this one is a simple one. So basically, to get the last item, we put a -1. So that always returns the last item in a list. So with that, if we have a look, we'll see that we have 1 dot. So now we have 6 to solve, which is great. So now I want to learn about max in Python. So if we have a list and we run max on it, it gives us the highest number in that list. And in this case, we want to get a personal best, and this is 100, as 100 is the highest in the list. All right, so this again is a straightforward return max with scores in it. All right, so that's it. Let's go ahead and run our test again. Scroll back up. So we have 2 dots. So we are solving that problem. Okay, so we have one function left, which is the top 3, personal top 3. Okay, so these are different variations. So if we solve this one, it solves all the rest of them. So in a list, we want to get the top 3. Now there's a method sorted. We need this method. So we have a list, we can sort it in ascending order, and then we can reverse it. All right, so let's try this out within Python, and we'll put reverse there as well. So if I go into my Python environment, create this variable with the list in there. All right, so copy that, and then that is reversed. All right, so if we run this without the reverse equals true, it has in ascending order, and then when we reverse it, it gives us the other version of it, the other side of it. So what I want to do is run the same here, and then I'll have the number in ascending order, then I'll reverse it, and then I'll return the first 3 numbers. So that will be the top 3. So I have scores, reverse, true. All right, and then finally give me the first 3 numbers. So that's what that's going to do for us. So I think that's it. So let's go ahead and exit, and then run the test again, and we have all green. So that was that one done. So this -1 gives us the last one, this gives us the max, and this gives us the top 3 from the list. So that's it, guys. We have solved all the problems. Let's go ahead and submit that file. All right, let's have a look here. So that's our work. A mentor will leave a feedback, so we can't proceed. But oh wow, there are currently 184 solutions ahead, and there's a 7 days waiting period. And I don't think I want to wait 7 days. So let's go back into Python tracks, and I'm going to switch to practice mode. So this basically means I don't need a mentor to approve my work. And this is what the format looks like. So we can work on matrix or any of the unlocked ones first. So that's fine. I'm okay with that. All right, so if I come back in here, I can cancel mentoring request. So that way we can submit the work and have a look at what people have done. All right, so that's it, done. So let's view the community's solutions. So this is very similar to what we've done. They've called sort on scores and then reverse true. And yep, it's pretty much what we've done. And this is also identical to what we've done. It has comments, which is good for readability, but the function names are. So this again, very similar. So I think it is a very straightforward solution. So this format here allows us to do hard tasks. That's awesome. I'm looking forward to trying those. You could do medium or just leave it in all, and you could test yourself on different things. All right, and yep. So that's it, guys. I will see you in the next video.